Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use this automated leave management schedule in Excel. So, what we are going to do is we have our database which consists of all employee records. You could see their ID, the leave days, and their emails. We have the metrics here helping you track your workforce at each and every moment. We have the holidays here, which is going to help Excel to calculate the leave balances. Then we have the request form here. With a request form, we have various leave type, being it the sick leave, maternity, paternity, compassionate or bereavement leave. We have them here. And we have the approved status. If assuming this person is still pending, the leave request is still pending, it gets updated in the calendar schedule here. So if it is approved, you realize that it's been updated automatically here. And whether we also have the balance tracker, the tracker to track the number of days that are left for each leave for any employee. So you realize that with this person, um, the leave taken so far is 4 days, and the remaining balance is 18. So let's say we have sick leave here, we have annual leave here. So the sick leave are not deductible. That's according to the Ghanaian labor law. So if you are in any other country, it might differ. So here, the number of days was four. You could see it's tracking only 4 days. So if let's say the person is a different type of leave, being it deductible from the annual leave, which is 6 days. If you should go to the tracker, you realize that it's been calculated. We realize that we have 10 days, which uh, consists of which is the 6 plus the 4 days. So the remaining balance too is here. So that's how the schedule work. And we also have the charts here. So that's what we are going to look through shortly. So here is the leave request form. This gets updated once the employee fills in the manual form. So we have the request ID, the employee's ID, the name, the department. We also have their reasons for going on leave, and with the leave type, we have the list of the leaves that a company operates in as a validation system. You just have to update it. Um, just go to the data bar. So here is the list. You can update it. So we have them here. Then, the start leave, the start date of the employee, the end, the months, the, the working days get automatically. We already have an inbuilt formula. And with the net work days, It is going to exclude the public holidays and the weekends um, from the leave request days that the employee, asked for. And here, one of the things that you should look out for is with the network days, with this formula, it is only going to exclude the weekends. That's if your company works from Monday to Friday, it is going to exclude Saturday and Sunday. Then we have the approved status here. If it is pending, if it is rejected, it is here. So here, once we have it approved, I'm going to demonstrate that shortly. Then we have the balance tracker, which is here. You get to know the balances here. Okay. The the schedule, the main schedule itself, any request that is being put in, any request that you update in the form, it gets automatically filled here. You don't need to refill this schedule. And here we have the charts, showing, giving you, a pictorial view of various departments here. So here you realize that from the chart, we have two people who have been on leave, one at the finance department, the other person from the procurement, which is reflecting here is a reflection of what's in the leave request form. So you could see you have two people, the same person from the same, I mean, the HR department. Then we have one from the finance, then the procurement. So here, as assuming that the first employee, the request was on pending, it reflects in the leave schedule here. You don't need to, come here to update the schedule here. And here you realize that we have the same person, going on leave on two occasions, one somewhere around June and the other around August. And the number of days that he took on various occasions, 6 days for the first leave and 4 days for the second leave. So if you should come to the tracker, with that employee, the leave accumulated, for the person is only 4 days because the first leave is still on pending. It's not approved yet. So as soon as we approve it here, if you should approve it here, realize that it reflects in the tracker being 10 days taken off. So with the same person, if there are certain leaves that are not deductible from the annual leave. For instance, if the person is going on a sick leave. So if it is sick leave, that's in our Ghanaian labor law. If you are in a different country, it might differ for you. So with the sick leave, you should go to the tracker. You realize that It is not reflecting here. The number of days that a person went on sick leave is not reflecting here. So this is actually going to help you to accumulate the total number of leaves that the person has to take from his or her annual leave. So we have it here. We realize that with employee, the second person, the employee ID two, there is no leave accumulation. There's no leave taken, even though the person has taken a leave. I mean, the person went on maternity leave. And the days here is just 5 days. Is just for the purposes of this demonstration. For in our Ghanaian labor law, I mean, you have 12 weeks to go, and if there are any issues and other stuff, we give you an additional 2 weeks. So that's just for demonstration. So you realize that in the tracking balance, there is zero here. The number of days that the person has taken, nothing is reflecting here. Okay. So all these requests are from the database. The base, the employee records here. So this is the main, this is the database, and let's assume that one employee request for leave. This person request for leave. So first, let us say this has been approved. So the leave of this staff has been approved. If you should go to the schedule here, you realize that it's been automatically updated back to the form. If it is pending, when you come here, you realize that it's been updated here. It's as pending. So if it's rejected to, it will reflect here in the main schedule. In the main calendar, and we have it here. So with the balance, let's say the person, that's that employee. So since the leave of that employee has been rejected, we realize that it's zero here. So if we should go back to the form and make it approved, it reflects here as leave that has been taken. And we go to the calendar, it's also reflects here. It's been updated here. So with the main indicator, if then that person is on leave, it reflects here. Realize that uh, the head count has reduced, and the number of people that's whose leave has been it has been granted has increased. It's four now. So it work automatically as soon as you update. The request form, all the rest of the sheet gets updated because the formula that has been built in. So if you should come to the chart, realize that now we have finance to be two, and you can see that here. So I hope this has been helpful. I'll leave the link at the description section. I also provide training services on people analytics for corporate institutions, Microsoft Office, tools for productivity, business intelligence and data analytics, and AI for business professionals, Power BI for HR reporting. So you can connect with me on LinkedIn, Emmanuel Duncan. And I have an exciting news for you. We have this upcoming workshop on HR analytics and AI. We only have few slots left. Get in touch, check the flyer for details.